Not going for nothing crazy. Just want to test the speed, and I want to test these QS10 connectors I'm running. If she come back in one piece, I'll show you what I'm running with. But she's tracking, and what it look like? I'm just trying to make it to the dirt anyway. I just don't want to hit the dirt. But it's nice that the cars is coming in, you know what I'm saying, and knocking it down for us a little bit. What was that? Came off my tire? Don't run over it, please. Thank you. Same place I crashed before. That's a splitter, right? Yeah, same place I crashed before yesterday. Whew, tire is toast. She made it back. It's not one piece. Stop. Read. Another 140. Alright. But yeah, we're running some new connectors because I was running the QS8s for a while. And every time I get a run or every other run, I notice I will burn out my anti-spark. And it will turn my connectors black. So I decided to go with QS10s. These things are huge monsters, connectors. They work great so far, so good. You know, I can see I can leaned out that tire right there. Ooh, good save though. Still going left. Still going left, but yeah, QS10 connectors. They work great. No problems with them. No burns. No burns on the inside of the connectors. Nothing like that. And yeah, if you want to upgrade from the QS8, so we're not really upgrade, they don't really help performance any that I've noticed, but hopefully it'll stop from me burning out that anti-spark. And let me see right now, I'll unplug it for you and check it out. Let's take a look at the inside of these. Yeah, still got them on the inside. I don't know what the 4 pins on the middle is, but yeah, pretty neat connectors. Well, back to the drawing board, back to the steering board. Place that tire and We'll get back out here. Dope, Rob. We out.